What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in this video I will introduce you one of the best cryptocurrency exchange. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. Guys, in the era of the cryptocurrency, there are lots of cryptocurrency exchanges, but in this video I'll introduce you the best cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade, buy and sell bundles of cryptocurrency. So guys, you can find the link of this cryptocurrency exchange in the below down description. So join my link and get reward. So guys, let's navigate to the WEEX.com. WEEX.com is the best cryptocurrency exchange. Fastest way to crypto wealth. Earn 20,000 welcome bonus. There is the popular events that you can see, guys. Welcome bonus. So guys, in step by step I will show you how you can create account on this platform, on this cryptocurrency exchange. There is 20,000 USDT kickstart your trading journey. Daily spin to win 300,000 USDT. To chance to win BTC Canon EOS 5D. We launch 140% APY. Hold WXT to get free airdrops for new crypto. There is, guys, you can see, you can find the events using this, and daily you can visit. There are daily new listings. Each and everything is coming on the screen that you can join that. There is the market. There is the market that you can see, guys. Currently you can see that WXT 0.01 is the price that currently in trending. Bitcoin, there is each and every coin that you can watch that is currently in trending. There is the gainers, you can watch that the gainers also on this platform. There is the 24-hour volume that you can check that using BTC up to other altcoins. There is, you can see, guys, the new listing. If you click on the new listing coins, that you can find that the new listing coins you can easily trade the using the platform of the new listing. So guys, you can download and install the application of the WEEX cryptocurrency exchange on your Android and iOS devices. Why choose WEEX? 1000 BTC protection fund, top level liquidity, Michael on global brand ambassador. There is copy trading, never miss another market movement, save time and effort by copy top traders. So you can use that professional traders, copiers, copy trading volume that you can see, guys. There is the volume of copy trading and other events that you can watch it. Trade anytime, anywhere using the App Store, Google Play. You can download that, and you can even download the Android APK file also. There is the WEEX beta also. The App Store, Google Play is the place where you can download that in your mobile devices. There is the protection funds average daily trading volume. There is 1000 plus copy trading pairs, 5 million number of users worldwide. Currently they are having the partnership with the following platforms. Trade now, you can find that you can click on the market to check another updates of the market, such as trending, gainers, new listings, or there is the favorites. You can mark the coins for your favorite, and there is the futures that you can open the future platform. There is the spot, copy trade, V-launch. If you click on V-launch, there you can see, guys, hold WXT to earn free airdrops weekly. Ongoing project is 7, amount is this much. Hold WXT to enjoy new token airdrops. That is the WXT is the WEEX. It is official token that you can buy that and stake that in the WEEX platform and get new reward, new token reward or airdrop. There is the welcome bonus. If you click on the welcome bonus, so you will be able to see new rewards. There is the rewards that you can use, that 10 USDT first deposit, that you can use that for the KYC reward, and futures transfer at least 1000 USDT to your futures account and maintain a net transfer balance of at least 1000 USDT for 3 days to claim 50 USDT for free. futures trading. Achieve a futures trading volume of 10,000 USDT or higher to claim 5 USDT. There is the terms and condition that you can use that. So guys, if you click on the sign up, I will provide direct link to the sign up of this platform, that you can join this platform. There is 5 million global users, and there is leverage to 100x cryptocurrencies, 1000 plus cryptocurrencies, protection fund, a user focused exchange with security and hard. I think this cryptocurrency exchange is one of the best cryptocurrency exchange that you can join that and trade lots of or bundles of cryptocurrency exchange. There is, you can see guys, you have to enter your email address or your phone number. You can join this platform with phone number and email address. If you have any referral code, so you can use my referral code to get reward, sign up and receive new gift users. So simply I will click on the login because I've registered to this platform. So simply on a login, I will click on the login option because I'm a user right now on the weex.com. So I will enter my email address and password. So here is the welcome bonus. Kickstart your journey with 20,000 USDT. 29 days 10 hours is remain for this new reward that I introduced you in the beginning. So there you have to click on the setting, click on the reward center, preference settings, and you can even have the UID. There you can click on the setting. If you click on the setting, the setting window will open. There you can change your login password, you can connect your mobile number, email address, you can activate the Google authenticator code, fund code, two-factor authentication, and there it is guys. You can click on the account review. So you have to complete the KYC verification for this purpose to use the weex.com completely, and there you can click on the spot. If you click on the spot, you can also trade BTC up to another altcoins. This is the best platform, this is the best cryptocurrency exchange where you can trade bundles of cryptocurrency and with highest leverage, and this is the best. I think you can join this right now using the below down link. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.